Is your Adobe apps not working because of the Cryptocme Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Before we begin the manual steps for Cryptocme Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Cryptocme Library, the Adobe Cryptographic Module for Entrust, CME. It provides localized FIPS-compliant localized encryption and localized digital signing for localized Adobe Acrobat and specialized document security tools. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since Cryptocme Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Cryptocme library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A quick safety warning: never download files like Cryptocme Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Cryptocme library and system configuration. To support our technical team and receive updates on Cryptocme library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.